I have a number of images as layers here. They pertain to different seasons of the year, so if I hold my Option key down and click on the eyeball, I can just turn on that one layer and scroll down and click on the eyeball on each one. The eyeball controls the visibility of a layer, so you'll notice all the other layers are invisible at the moment. I can do a couple of different things here that will help you organize your layers. For one thing, I can label the layers. So let's say I want to label the winter ones as blue. That's a winter one. Let's turn that visibility on. That's a winter one. This one is a spring one, so I'll do those as yellow. To help me see these little images, I can go into the panel menu here and do panel options, and I can say show me a larger view, and that will change your view. You may want to spread that or pull that panel out just a little bit larger so you can see the names as well. This one's a summer one. I'll put red for summer. This one's a summer one. And then the remainder are fall. I'll use orange for fall. So that helps you visually see what you've labeled certain layers. And then you can sort by their color as well. So I can say, show me just the red ones. There they are. Show me just the orange ones. Show me just the yellow layers. Show me just the blue layers, and so forth. Those are two ideas that will help you organize and better use your layers.